How to log into Alibaba account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Alibaba app. Here we go. You will land to this kind of page. At the bottom you will find different options. Head towards the option of My Alibaba. Now at the top you can see this option of sign in or register. Tap on that option. Now over here you will need to type in your Alibaba account's details. Type in the email address and password. First, you can type in the email address or the member ID. Now enter your password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can tap on this option of forget password to recover it. After you fill these, you can tap on this option of sign in. And with that, you will be logged into your Alibaba account. So this was really simple and quick process. This is how you can easily log into Alibaba account. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.